Hello YouTube, it's me Blu-rays, and just before I put things back together I thought I might make a quick video for those who love KWC Cybergun Tanfoglio Witness 1911 BB pistol. And what made me decide to do this is I noticed that the power of the BB gun is not what's written on the box. So before I could think of anything complicated, I thought I might start with the magazine, because obviously that's where we put the cartridge, and that's where the gas is spent via the valve. So when I did that, I luckily bumped into something very important and worth sharing as well. So this is the plastic that stops the BB and helps with the loading as well, and we have the rubber here inside to make sure that the gas doesn't escape anywhere. So that's how it is, that's how it comes together, that one there and the other one on top of it, and then there's a pin there. So what I discovered was, when I took this out and I took them both, I found out that on the tightest position of the valve, the gas opening is not completely in line with the window here, the box of the magazine. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. It's slightly hiding away. The gas port on the valve is slightly hiding away from the window of the magazine. So it's like halfly open and the other half is away from the window. So I said to myself, is that the right position? But it was on the tightest. Obviously, when it comes from the factory, I'm sure they're going to tighten that up. But unfortunately, on this part here, the gas port is half shown. Not the entire gas port is showing on the window. So I tried to take the valve counterclockwise. It was on the tightest position again. And then I open it up. And there was another thing that I discovered which made me really skeptical about how tight, how sealed it is, because this is the valve, the gas valve for the Tanfoglio Witness BB gun, and I noticed that there are no O-rings around here, which is supposed to help tighten up and help decrease the escape of the gas. But in this KWC, it doesn't have an O-ring here. It's just metal to metal, and that's the one I've been telling you. The gas port is slightly covered on the tightest position of the gas valve. So I said to myself, maybe I should fiddle with it and make the gas port align to the window of the magazine. But that means it's not slightly, or it's not tightly closed. So what I did was, actually I've done this before already, I'm just doing this again. And when I did that the first time around, I noticed a difference in the power of the BB gun. It really improved when I put the gas port in line with the window there. Yeah, on the tightest position it was like that. It was half open. But when I fiddled with it, I make the gas port come in line with the window, and that's when I discovered and felt an improvement in the power of the BB gun. So yeah, just before I put them back together, because there is no O-ring here, I'd like to make use of this silicone lubricant. There. And then put it back together. And this time I'm not gonna screw it up on the tightest position, but rather I have to concentrate on the gas port in line with the window. Yeah, it's tight enough. It's actually tight enough. And as you can see, I hope you can see it there, the gas port is now completely showing on the window there of the magazine. But yeah, it's tight enough. I don't think you have anything to worry about. But just to make it sure, I put some lubricants there so it will stay there for a little while. And there it is. But I can still tighten it up like the factory setting. But like I said, that will hide half of the gas port if you have to really tighten it up. So what I did was not to tighten it up and make sure that the gas port is showing on that window there of the magazine. And I thought that will improve the power of the BB gun, and it really did. Like I said, this is the second time I've done this one, just for the purpose of the video. And then that's it. Then I put this back again, the rubber, and on top of it is the plastic that holds the BBs, that stops the BBs. And this is the pin. On the other side of the pin there's I don't know how to call it, but it's like a tightener. So I will put it on this side here. And there it goes. So it might be different in your case. In your case, it might be that the tightest position, the gas port is in line with the window, so you don't have to change anything. But just in case your magazine is like mine, at the tightest position here, the gas port is hiding away. It's up to you. I disclaim it. It's up to you if you want to try this one as well. But in my case, as I have tried it, it really made a difference in the power of the gun. Now, it has the power like what's it's written on the box. So, yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. And just to show you a little bit more. Sorry. I'm going to put a cartridge. I just tried to lubricate it. And there it is. So it's good. That's where I load my BBs. That goes in there. That's it. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.